What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be working on the Camaro, and we will be replacing this. It has a big ass hole right here. We made some ramps and to get into a driveway, and they didn't really work, so we made a big ass hole right here when we're going into the driveway. It's been broken for like about a year. We've been having it, we just haven't had time to put it on, so today we're gonna do that. And there's just a bunch of torque screws right here. All these have to come off. Also these 8mm. So I think all this has to come off as well, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna start off by removing all these, and then we'll see what else has to be done. We're gonna be using this little impact tool. Can't find the other fitting, so we're just gonna use it like this. And let's see if this one fits. It's a little too small. Let me see. This is the right one, and it's size T15. Let me go ahead and remove all the torques I see. Okay, so that's the back of the vehicle. This is the front. After you remove all the 10mm, there's this clip right here that has to come off. Just pull the top off. Should release the whole plastic tray, and it's also broken right here. Make sure all your clips are where they should be. If they fall off, just put them back so you won't lose them. So now so this clip goes right here. I'm not sure if this has to come off. I don't think so. Let me see if I could pull it off. I know these clips have to be removed, so let me see if I could pull all these off. Try to do it with this door panel remover thing. So this is the new one. We just pulled it out to count how many clips we have to remove. So these are the clips that hold this in, these white ones. And basically they're just in there like that. And this is the part number. So there's 4 on each side and then 2 in the middle. This one and this one. So that's 10 clips. We have 5 out so far. 5 or 6. We have to go on this side and pull the other 4. I'll show you guys right now. Let me just move this out of the way. Okay, so this is the front of the car, and there is one clip right here and another clip right here on the passenger side, right here on the corner, and then the 4 clips are back here. So on the driver's side, I'm gonna show you guys. You just pull this liner, pull it back all the way. I think you should be able to drop it down a little bit like that, so you can see the clips are in here. So you have to press that plastic in and then push it out. So there's 4 on this side that we have to remove. This one right here. That. So I forgot to show you guys, but there's 5 clips on this side. So there's 4 along this whole thing, and then there's an extra one, but it's this one right here. So I'll show you guys real quick. So I was trying to pull it from here earlier, but it's not gonna release. So what you have to do is pull this side out like that. Since this one is going in like that, it's not gonna let go. Once you have that out, everything else comes off. So now let me work the middle, see if I can get it out. Just kind of scared of scratching the paint, but it should come off. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're pushing the clips. We're just grabbing it and making sure we push on it firmly, because we tried it with our hand and it's really hard to get it out. But anyways, I'll show you guys. So this side is coming off, so I just got to work my way around all the way over here, and then we should be able to remove the whole piece. So that did work. We also used this right here in the front, right between this thing and this lower grill, just to space it out, because it clips. These little things are grabbing onto this, so we did that. Now let's remove these side pieces. These are going to be held in by some torque bits. Pretty sure it's going to be the same size that we're using, the 15. Let me see. So there's 3 of these, and yeah, they are the same size. So let me go ahead and remove those, and then we'll put them on the other. Okay, so we're not even going to bother removing this and putting it on the new one, because this one's broken on that side, and we're just going to end up breaking these either way. So we're just going to leave it on here. And these clips, we're going to use this tool. Where's it at? We're going to use this just to pinch them and push them out, because we got to install them on the new one. There's 3 of them right there. All right, so right here, what we did is we used our ashy ass knee, and we grabbed onto this lower grill, and we firmly pressed them together so I could push it in, because it was really hard to do it by hand. And then another thing is that right here on the side, if you have the regular ZL1, not the one elite package, you won't have this last clip right here. Now that I look at this, it's cracked right here, but it's fine. So this goes in here, and you just put the screws back in. And also on the regular ZL1, this piece doesn't go all the way up here. It's a lower lip. So this one goes all the way up here under the lower grill. So now let me just button everything back up. Don't forget to put all your white clips back in. So the ones that hold the bumper in place, they were going up. You don't have to remove these 3 and the ones in the middle. Then the ones that were holding the actual plastic in place, those were going down. So we're gonna put them like that again, like that. Shit, well, that one broke. And also, while we're down here, since this plastic came off, we're finally gonna get to rounding this Mighty Mouse drain thing. So we're gonna end up bolting it back to the tray somewhere, just so we could be able to reach it when we do the oil change. But you can see that there's oil in there already. So let me get a cup real quick and I'll show you guys how we drain this. So that's a pretty good amount that we got out of the catch can. And we're gonna close it back up, just turn the thing clockwise, the little fitting, and we're gonna fish it through that plastic just so we can have easy access to it when we do the oil change. Okay, so we're all done down here, and we put the Mighty Mouse thing right here. We just put this little hose clamp to this bolt. So next time when we do the oil change, we could just get a 10mm, remove this, and then this should hang down a little bit, enough for us to get to the oil. And all the other bolts are here. This little strip that goes right here, we didn't remove it from the old plastic because it was already broken on this side. There's a broken piece right there. Put new pieces in, so it looks much better now. Now we're just gonna get it off of the jacks, and we should be good to go. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to message us on Instagram at Yonke_OXE Films, or leave a comment down below, and we'll try to get to you as fast as possible. We'll catch you in the next one.